Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change an air filter on this 2018 Toyota RAV4. And I got a new air filter right here. On this one, frame extra guard 2X engine protection. I recommend that you change every 12,000 miles. First thing you need to do is just open the driver's side door, and then under the steering wheel right here, there should be a latch right here to unlatch the hood. See, when you pull it forward toward you, you should hear a click. That means the hood is unlatched right now, so you can open the hood. Now use your finger right there. You should be able to open it. There's a piece of metal right here. This piece of rod right here. You can hold up the hood like that. So there's a few holes right here. Few holes where you can put this rod right here. If you want it a little higher for taller people, put it around here. If you put it, for me, I'm a little shorter, I put it up here. And this is the filter compartment right here. There's two clips right here. It's so easy, two clips. And you just lift it up. You see there's the air filter right there. Okay, just take it out. And it's a little dirty. So this is the old one right here. See how dirty it is? A little bit dirty right here. And this is the new one. So I always use a frame right here and extra guard 2X engine protection, and this is recommended every 12,000 miles or every 20,000 kilometers. You got to change this. So you compare the new one right here. You see how cleaner it's so white, and then compare the old one. It's a little dirty, very dirty. See. So the best place to buy a cheap filter is Walmart. So I'm recommended if you go to Walmart, this only costs $13, and if you go to an auto supply place, they charge you a little more. Like AutoZone, they charge you a little more. So Walmart is the cheapest place to get it, about 13, 14 bucks. That's it. And I change it every year. So easy to change. See this side right here go down, and this side go up. That's it. That's it. That's it. That doesn't take long at all. Now, if you take it to an auto place, and you know how much they charge you? 50 bucks. So just for, you buy this from Walmart about 14 bucks, and then you go to an auto place, 50 bucks. So you save yourself about $35. So you can do this yourself. It's take about 2-3 minutes. That's it. So thank you very much for watching. If you like my videos, please like, share, and subscribe. Bye bye.